Covaxin's approval could come soon, says Chief Scientist of the World Health Organization, and here is why the statement is music to our ears. Sneha Mordani with this special report.
For those who've taken Covaxin doses and worried that it does not hold good for international travel, there could be some good news soon. In a major leg up to Covaxin, the World Health Organization has said the data submitted by Bharat Biotech looks good. Chief Scientist of the World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, has said, and I quote, Covaxin's efficacy against the Delta variant of COVID-19 is a bit low. It is still not bad, while the overall efficacy is quite high. This raises hope that Covaxin could be included in World Health Organization's list of approved vaccines. The developers of India's first indigenous vaccine against COVID-19 have been pushing for Covaxin certification, which would enable it to make it to the Green Pass list. What could have impressed the World Health Organization is this. Preprint of Phase 3 trials shows Covaxin demonstrating 93.4% effectiveness against severe symptomatic COVID-19 cases and 65.2% protection against the Delta variant.
Covaxin demonstrated 78% vaccine efficacy against mild, moderate, and severe COVID-19 disease. The efficacy against severe COVID-19 disease was 93%, and also the efficacy against Delta variant is 65%.
Bharat Biotech has said it expects authorization from the World Health Organization anytime between July and September. In the meantime, the company is also working on a booster dose for the vaccine.
कोवैक्सीन की बूस्टर डोज अभी साइंटिफिक आइडिएशन स्टेज पे है। कितनी देर तक वैक्सीन की एफिकेसी लास्ट करेगी ये अभी वेल नोन नहीं है।
Covaxin is not among the listed vaccines of the World Health Organization. But this statement just gives an indication that perhaps things are moving in the right direction. This certainly is going to work wonders for Covaxin as far as perception is concerned. Also, it's going to make things easier for those people who've taken Covaxin and wish to travel outside of India. That travel is being hampered as of now. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
Sneha Mordani, who's getting us the story, reporting from Delhi, is now joining us for the very latest. Sneha, there were a lot of apprehensions for the ones who got the jab of Covaxin versus the ones who got Covishield. Looks like good news is around the corner for the ones who've gotten Covaxin too.
Yes, absolutely. Good news around the corner because this statement carries a lot of weight. Chetty, it's come from the chief of the world, the chief scientist of the World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, who said that as far as the Delta variant is concerned, the vaccine is doing okay. But otherwise, the data is extremely good. We do know that the efficacy gets reduced when it comes to the Delta variant, which right now is the most dominant variant in the world in over 100 countries. And that's what led to the second wave in India as well. It was first sequenced in India. But to say that the data is looking good and that the approval could be coming in soon does a lot of, lot of good to the company's hard work that has developed the vaccine, India's indigenous vaccine against COVID-19. Imagine this is also going to then, when the approval comes, open up the doorway for Covaxin to be given to other countries at the COVAX facility, within the COVAX facility, and also for its commercial dealings with many other countries. So in that sense, also this is good news. Plus, when in a world now that we're talking of green pass and a vaccine passports, this certainly is a new world order. We need a vaccine which is going to be trusted by the world over, and a signal from the World Health Organization that this vaccine is effective and is working, and hence we have approved it, is going to go a long way in easing out that travel that has been hampered so far for many of those people who've taken Covaxin and are not allowed in many countries. A small example, in Dubai, for example, those who've taken Covaxin are welcome, but they need to be in quarantine for 14 days. But those who've taken Covishield do not need to be in quarantine. So these small hiccups will be sorted once this approval comes through.
All right, Sneha Mordani with that report. It's indeed good news around the corner for the ones who have taken the Covaxin jab. For now, thank you very much for joining us, Sneha, this morning.